and the machine, the random number generator doesn't care how much money you pay. So it doesn't change the outcome if you whether you pick.
I enjoy wasting time. Is it really wasted?
Want to put the back down?
We did.
Later.
Liam, you want slack?
Hi everybody, Steve Gorey here from the American Casino Guide. I am the author, and this is Matt Gorey.
And I'm the editor. And today, we have a little bit of a different video for the guys.
Got a little power, huh? A little PM power.
So in the morning we normally
Have our coffee.
coffee and remove that put down the back of the RV. So we're having a coffee, make hot water here, and we put it on the thermos so we don't have to, you know, keep heating the water. Nice view, all RV. Nice, huh?
It is. Be better over the water though.
Yeah, that's the one that one campground where we went to.
Over the mountains.
Yeah. No, like the KOA, the one close to our house, but it's just the bogs there. All right, thank you guys for watching.